If you're encountering the cloud save error 2025 in Valorant, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause errors. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to cloud save errors. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Update Valorant. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the Riot Games client and install them. Step 4. Clear cache. Navigate to the Valorant installation folder and clear the cache files. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation and may resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error 2025 in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.